Thank you for joining us here today at TotalMD. Today we're going to take a look at the mass charge entry feature of TotalMD. Under Activities, if you go to Mass Charge Entry, you're able to enter many charges at the same time rather than doing them per patient in the ledger. So what I'm going to show you is how to do it from the scheduler so that you're able to go in and bill patients that are all staying for the same reason. So all of these patients are existing patients. We're going to go in and say that they have a 99211 charge, which is an office visit established. We're not going to add any modifiers in here. There's a unit of 1. We're going to use the existing fee schedule and the patient assigned physician. If we wanted to add diagnosis codes to these, we could, but other than that, we're going to use the ones that are already in the patient chart. All you have to do is choose your patients that you want to add to the list by double-clicking them, and then go out and post and close. And then we'll want to post the charges before closing. We'll tell it yes. Then when we go to the ledger for those people, we're going to go into Annie Davis's charge. You'll see that there is a charge in there from the 30th for today, that's today's date. There's a 99211 that is posted. So all 3 of those charges that I posted in the mass charge entry will post with that charge in it. The other way to do it is to do the mass charge entry, to choose your code, and then to go down and choose your chart number. So you can choose patients just randomly that you know you need to make the charge for. And if you arrow down, you can choose another patient. Arrow down, we'll choose one more patient. And then we'll just add that charge for today. We can change the date on it. Let's see, this was actually from Monday. We can change this date to Monday's date. Then post and close. It will prompt us, do we want to post? Then we'll go back to look at one of those charts that we posted to. We'll go look at Mia's chart. You see that we have that charge, that 99211 populated in here for her that we just populated for today. That's all there is to using the mass charge entry. If you've got further questions regarding this functionality of TotalMD, please give us a call. Our number is 800-613-7597. Option 2 is support. Option 3 is training.